your new year with this 71 HQ Monaro in your driveway. Here we go. Have a look at the body. Nice and straight, beautiful paint job, nice sloped hood on this coupe. Let's look into the V8. Look at this exciting engine that pushed this beast along the road. It's a 308 V8, electronic ignition, totally redone. This is what's going on. It's exciting and it's got the power to push it along. Wow, look at this. Beautiful interior, bucket seats, manual gearbox, got it all going on, GTS wheel, Monaro LS dashboard. This thing has got it all happening. Imagine yourself behind this cruising down the highway. Well, you know what's going on. I'm not telling you anything new. Get a package, get this in your garage. Imagine yourself cruising down the highway. Paddy here from Classics, where we proudly support Aussie veterans.